assisting instructor here at Charter College in Oxnard, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up for a basic dental exam. So in order to set up for a basic dental exam, we're going to need a couple things. The first one is going to be your tray, and the tray I just covered in a clear plastic tray sleeve, and then I put some tray paper down as well, which is nice just for writing notes and things during the exam if the dentist is telling you things and you don't have the computer pulled up right there. So we're also going to need our basic instrument kit. Ours here at school consists of a mouth mirror, an explorer, and cotton pliers, but some basic kits also include a periodontal probe for measuring pocket depths. We're also going to need a saliva ejector, an air water syringe tip, some 2x2 gauze, and then I also like to include a little bit of floss. And I like to put my floss into a little floss bow. And so that way the dentist can easily just pull it apart like this to use it as needed. So the way that I make a floss bow is I usually will grab some floss, usually about the length of my arm, and then I will take my two fingers and I will grab onto the end of the floss here, and then I will wrap it around, not too tight because you want to make sure you can wiggle it off in just a little bit. And then once I get it wrapped around there, I'm going to pull it off, and then I will pinch it in the middle and then roll it around just a little bit, and it makes this nice little bow. And the nice thing about this is that you're able to just set it on the tray, and it's not a big long loose piece of floss, so an elbow or an arm or your shirt or your gown doesn't like grab onto it and toss it on the floor, and then you have to grab new floss. So this is a nice neat way to store your floss. And then that's it. So this would be used for just a general exam. We might use it for a patient that maybe comes in as an emergency so that we can take a look and just see what might be going on. Or after the hygienist has finished doing the cleaning, then the dentist will come in and just do an exam to make sure everything is looking good. So thank you for coming along and checking out how I like to set up the basic tray, and I'll see you next time.